Hello, I'm Eric Brooks, brand specialist with Alpine Electronics, and I'm here at the 2020 CES show in Las Vegas. I'm talking today to Chris Tagu, national trainer for Alpine. And what we're talking about today is a whole new category for Alpine, and we're very excited about this because it adds a lot of things that our customers are looking for in their vehicles, right? So Chris, fill us in on this new product that we're launching.
So we're talking about dash cams today. We have two dash cams that we're going to be launching into the market. The first one is our DVR C310R. This is kind of our entry camera, your everyday camera. It does HD video recording. It's dual channel, so you can actually hook up a secondary camera. That's included. You can actually look inside the camera. It's movable, so you can move it to the back. You can shoot out the back of the vehicle to see if somebody's running into you from behind or something like that. Now, both of these cameras are actually focused on the 12-volt specialty, right? So we want you to be able to install it and wire it to the battery so it always has power. That way, if you turn the car off and you're parked and you have an impact or somebody tries to break into the vehicle, it'll actually turn on and start recording at that point.
That's really cool. So HD recording, which is great. That impact recording is really great, right? So if I'm driving, someone maybe unfortunately runs into me, now I'm protected. I can turn that into my insurance, right?
It'll actually record 10 seconds prior to the impact and then afterward as well, so you can see what's actually happening.
Yeah, that's really cool.
It actually comes with an SD card, so it stores all that information on that SD card, and you can actually take that and then pull it off the camera if you'd like. It also is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can actually see that information and control the dash cam from your smartphone as well.
That's really cool. That's really cool. So that's our C310. What about the next piece?
So the DVR C320R is actually that next level for us. This camera is actually what we call a stealth dash cam because it actually mounts to the windshield and looks factory. This is also wired to your vehicle so that it can record while you're in motion or stopped or parked. A couple cool features about this: it has night vision. It also records in HD. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it from your phone, and GPS enabled, so you can have location on what the recording is.
Wow, that's really cool.
They both come with a SD card, so you can store that information on there and then transfer it to your computer. And the really big news about this particular camera is that you can actually control and view it from an Alpine head unit.
Wow, that's really cool. I also noticed some other features for drive assist kind of stuff. What's that about?
So we also include some drive assist things such as lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, forward motion warnings, and those things happen on the actual camera.
Right, so forbid, I'm getting tired while I'm driving or I'm really not paying attention like I should, and I start to, veer off to one side or the other to warn me, to, hey, pay attention to what you're doing, right? So that's really, really cool. So we're excited about this product category that we're showing here at CES in Las Vegas. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again soon.